It's simple to start making fascinating discoveries about your family's past with Ancestry. Learn about how your ancestors lived their lives and preserve their stories in a family tree. Try starting your search with a parent or grandparent's name, or even your own name. Any other dates or locations you know will help too. Ancestry's search engine then checks millions of historical documents and existing family trees to find possible matches for your ancestors. You could find out where they were born, when they got married, and whether any of them came to live in the UK from overseas. You could even discover what colour eyes they had. Look for the leaf symbol. These are ancestry hints, and this means we might have found a record or photo that matches one of your ancestors. You can save these details to your tree as you go to build up a picture of their lives. The more you add, the more we can help you discover. And with over 30 billion searchable records from more than 80 countries and local archives, there's always more to explore. So start making discoveries today and bring your backstory to life with Ancestry.